Okay, here's where I played in that because that was too solid a color. But look at how this blended. I got little cells, not as many as I started out with because I kept going. But this is beautiful. I love this. And I was worried about that red, that magenta up against that green. But that is so pretty. I hope that from a distance it doesn't look ugly, because most people view a painting from at least 6 or 8 feet away. They don't get right on top of it to look at it, so you have to have it where it's appealing when somebody walks up and looks at it closely, but you also need it to have appeal from, you know, across the room, because people are going to hang these on their walls. So that dark right there in the middle gives it some depth on that one. Looks like it's going down, so that's good. This looks almost like, I don't know, like the leaves got shredded or the bloom got shredded. But all in all, it's interesting. And I say that in a good way this time, not, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm going to do. So the light's reflecting like crazy, so I'm going to have to tilt it some. So that's what it looks like from a few feet up. So I think it'll look okay hanging on the wall. If you're standing back away from it, I think it'll look okay. So always think about that, you know, that it needs to be appealing up close. People see all the detail and stuff, but it also needs to look good, like from across the room. Especially one of these that you're kind of going for a flower or some kind of a distinctive design. So sorry about the reflection of the ceiling light. But this is, oh my goodness, I'm so happy with this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Today's Saturday, so have a great weekend. And I will bring you some more later.